and I welcome yet another glorious day. Every morning's bright sunrise never ceases to surprise with the possibilities it brings my way. So into my life I go, knowing everything I know, hoping every moment in my day stays bright. As I follow my life slow, I will carry on to grow, just as long as life can let my dreams take flight. And as long as I believe what I believe, I can be all that I know all I can be. If I just allow love to lead the way, no matter how, I'll do my best as I'm prepared to try. And I know if I believe what I believe, I will know that somehow I will be set free from all that's in the way. It won't matter what they say, I'll do everything it takes with the strength so that I may let my passion fly. This is what I've always known, I can't reach the skies alone, so I'll reach out to the ones who care for me.